Welcome to an overview of ConsentHub Databases, focusing on leads and consent records. ConsentHub's core architecture principle is to separate people from permission, a fundamental concept for compliance. The leads database identifies who the person is, acting as a contact system. Conversely, the consent records database provides immutable legal proof that you are allowed to contact them. A lead is essentially a contact, while a consent record serves as critical legal evidence. This clear distinction is vital for TCPA compliance, ensuring auditability and robust enforcement. The leads database stores identity, contact details, engagement status, and DNC risk indicators for each person. Key data categories include name, phone number, email, organization, and job title. Engagement status tracks whether a lead is new, contacted, consent pending, qualified, or opted out. Compliance and DNC fields include national and state DNC flags, known TCPA litigator flags, and phone type. Operational metadata covers lead owner, lists, tags, notes, and activity history. Leads can be created through various methods, including manual entry, CSV import, forms, and API integrations. The consent records database is an immutable legal ledger, proving permission was granted or denied for specific communication channels. Consent is always channel-specific, time-stamped, and verifiable. Core consent fields include the phone number, business, purpose, channel, and capture method. Verification states track the consent process from pending to verified, failed, or expired. Timestamps record when consent was captured, verification sent and completed, along with any expiration windows. Evidence attachments can include audio recordings, campaign references, and details of the capturing agent. The relationship between a lead and consent records is one-to-many. One lead can have many consent records. Consent can exist independently of a lead, with linking occurring via lead ID or phone number. For example, a single lead might have verified SMS consent from a landing page, verified voice consent from a call, and pending RCS consent from a QR code. Crucially, the most recent verified consent always takes precedence. ConsentHub enforces two-step cross-channel verification to meet stringent TCPA standards. The verification flow begins with consent captured, moving to a pending status. A 6-digit verification code is then generated and sent via a different channel, such as SMS, RCS, or voice. The user confirms through a button, code entry, or verbal response, leading to verified consent and allowing communication. Verification outcomes are clear. Verified allows communication, while failed or expired blocks it until recaptured. Every consent record includes a full, immutable audit trail, capturing every step of the consent and verification process. This audit trail provides court-ready and regulator-ready evidence, ensuring full compliance. Before any outbound communication, ConsentHub workflows check the latest consent record. Consent must be given, and the verification status must be verified. If not compliant, the message or call is automatically skipped, preventing unauthorized contact. Consent campaigns are the only exception, explicitly flagged for specific purposes. Practical use cases include landing page opt-ins with SMS/RCS verification and QR code campaigns at events. Other uses involve voice calls capturing verbal consent with SMS confirmation and SMS keyword opt-ins with voice verification. ConsentHub guarantees clear disclosure, business identification, and explicit opt-in tracking. It also ensures cross-channel verification, immutable audit records, and automatic opt-out enforcement. Ultimately, if there is no verified consent, there is no communication. In summary, ConsentHub separates contacts from consent, enforcing TCPA compliance through verified, auditable, cross-channel permission records before any communication occurs.